Here is how to create a group chat on TikTok. So go ahead and open your TikTok application, log into your specific account, then go to the inbox section, which is between the plus icon and the profile from the bottom right corner of the screen. Then after, you need to go ahead and click on the plus icon with the two user icon in the top left corner of your screen. Now go ahead and select private or public according to your preference, and select the people that you want to add on your group chat. Once you select it, go ahead and select create from the bottom, which is highlighted in pink color, and your group will be instantly created. Then after, select edit group info, which is highlighted in blue color in the top, and enter the name of the group that you want to. You can also enter a description if you like. Then select change photo, which is highlighted in blue color, and you can either take a photo or upload a photo for your group chat icon. And then select save from the top right, which is highlighted in pink color, and the group info will be saved and you'll be done. You can also go ahead and add people by selecting this option right here, and you can select the people that you want to add on the group chat and select add from the bottom. Likewise, you can also go ahead and click on this invite link option, and you have several different options to go for. Like, you can send it on TikTok, you can share the link directly on other different social media platforms, or you can copy the link and paste it anywhere to whom you want to invite in this group chat. And you can also use the QR code, screenshot it or save it on your device, and then send it to people that you want to invite in this group chat. Likewise, you can also click on the three dots in the top right corner, and here you have several different amazing options that you can go for. Like, you can use a chat bubble. You can go ahead and select any one that you prefer. Click on save in the top. And likewise, you also have the option to change the alert tones. You can pin this conversation to top in your inbox. You can also enable or disable notifications. You can report it. You can manage the group by clicking on this option right here and go through this list and set it according to your preference. Likewise, if you want to go ahead and leave this group, select leave group option. And if you're the admin, you need to choose a group owner first and then lead the group. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.